Come test drive the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, USB connection, power windows, power door locks, daytime running lights, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.